What Google Ad is? Google Ad is a Google advertising platform. It lets businesses show ads to the people who are searching for something, watching YouTube videos, using different applications or reading websites. The quality scores. The quality matters that how much your ad is relevant. These two factors combinedly make the ad rank. Ad rank is equal to your quality score and the bid which you guys have spent on your ad. It's just not only about the bid, it's also about the quality. If you guys are spending enough on the ad and your quality is also good, so that makes your ad more better. Instant visibility. You can appear on the first page of the Google immediately, unlike SEO. Because SEO takes many months or even years, you can say, to show your ads on the top. But in the case of Google Ad, it is different. You can show your ad on the top within 24 hours with the help of your bid and the ad relevance. Hi everyone, I'm Vishali from Softtrix Tech Solution Private Limited. In this video, you guys will learn from the Google Ads course from the Softtrix Academy. What Google Ad exactly is, how it works, and what are the benefits of Google Ad in the digital marketing platform. Don't worry if you have never heard of the PPC or the online ads before. We will start from the very basics and explain everything in very simple language that is easily understandable to everyone. Firstly, what Google Ad is. Google Ad is a Google advertising platform. It lets businesses show ads to the people who are searching for something, watching YouTube videos, using different applications or reading websites. It works on pay-per-click model. That means advertisers only have to pay when someone clicks on the ad. You have probably seen Google Ads before. When you type something in Google and see ads at the top, that is a search ad. Or when you are watching a YouTube video or seeing an ad in between before it starts or it ends, that is a YouTube video, or that is called video ad. Nextly, when you guys are reading news online or seeing any banner in between, that's a display ad. Lastly, when you guys are searching for a product to purchase it and your results came up with image, price and shop, that is a shopping ad. So all these ads are managed using Google Ads. For example, the search ads. If someone types best pizza near me on the Google, a near me pizza shop can only show at the top of the search results with the help of the Google Ads. So that is required when you guys want to run their business more effectively. Nextly, how does Google Ads works? It completely works in the auction system. Google Ads work like a real-time auction that happen every time when someone searches something on the Google. Let's say there are 3 companies who want to show their ads when someone search buy sports shoes online. All of them enter the auction by bidding on that keyword, but not all are winners. Winner is not the one who has the highest bidder. Google consider 2 different things, not only the bid. Firstly, they consider how much you guys are willing to pay. That is your bid, apart from the bidding. Next one is how relevant and good your ad is. That is called the quality scores. The quality matters that how much your ad is relevant. These 2 factors combinedly make the ad rank. Ad rank is equal to your quality score and the bid which you guys have spent on your ad. Let's consider an example. When someone bids $2 and you are bidding $10. But it doesn't mean that your ad will always show on the top. Google will consider the quality score as well, like how much your relevant ad is. That's why writing good ad, using right keywords and having a useful landing page is so important. So it's just not only about the bid, it's also about the quality. If you guys are spending enough on the ad and your quality is also good, so that makes your ad more better. Nextly, why Google Ad is important in digital marketing. Google Ads play a huge role in digital marketing. Here's why. It shows your businesses at the right time to the right people. Firstly, Google Ads allow your business to appear when someone is actively looking for what you offer. For example, if someone searches AC repair in California and you run an AC repair business in California, your ad can show up instantly at the top of the Google. This means you are not just pushing ads randomly, but it also means that you are targeting people who are already interested and ready to buy your product. So it means that you need a good script. It's like opening your shop right in front of the people who needs you. So that is a major benefit in the Google ad. You guys can target the audience. You can choose who sees your ads based on different factors. Firstly, location, language, time, device and the interest. You can show your ad in specific location on specific devices like mobile, computer and tablets at specific times from the morning to evening, or you can choose a specific time limit. Based off their interest or behavior, you can also show your ad to them. Apart from this, the next benefit is instant visibility. You can appear on the first page of the Google immediately, unlike SEO. because SEO takes many months or even years, you can say, to show you ads on the top. But in the case of Google Ad, it is different. You can show your ad on the top within 24 hours with the help of your bid and the ad relevancy. This is the second benefit. Apart from this, some other benefits as well. Like with the Google Ad, you can appear on the page just in a minute with the help of the spending on your Google. Even we can make a comparison between SEO Google Ads and the PPC like Google Ad. In the case of SEO, it takes months or even years to show your ads on the top. But in the case of Google Ads, your ad within 24 hours can get a top position. Secondly, position control is not guaranteed in the SEO, but in PPC it is guaranteed on the help of your budget. And in SEO it is a long-term investment, but in the PPC it is a daily budget flexibility. Nextly, budget friendly. In SEO there is a different fundamental, but in the case of the PPC, you guys can start with $10 per day or completely up to you, like how much you guys are willing to pay. It's completely your choice because you guys have full control. Even you can pause or start the campaign at the time whenever you want, and while running the campaign you can make the improvements while running it. Apart from this, the next one is the results you can measure. In the PPC there are the results you can measure, like how many people have seen your ads and how many clicks have you get and how many impressions, how many people have called or filled a form, how much lead costs you. Google lets you test headlines, keywords and audience type and improve over the time as well. So these are the major benefits in the Google Ads that you can get. Let's consider an example. If you run a gym in California, you can show ads only to people in California searching for the best gym near me. So this is the location based, you can do the targeting as well. In the PPC, you guys can also do the testing. That is very much beneficial for you. Like you can test different headlines, audience, products, like to see what works the better. You can do the A/B testing. You can run 2 different campaigns at a time and see which one works more better. This is the major benefits of the PPC. Next one is how many types of the campaigns are there in PPC. There are different type of campaigns depending on your goal. Like first one is, you can say the search ad. Search ad appear on Google search when someone types a keyword. It is best for the leads, calls and website visit. Second one is display ad. Banner or image ad shown on the websites or the application, which is very much great for the brand awareness. With the help of banner or images, you can do the brand awareness. Next one is the video ad. Video ads, you can play the videos on the YouTube. In between the video, you can play your ad in between starting and in the ending. It is very much useful to your brand to tell your brand story or promote offers visually. So it is very much beneficial. Next one is shopping ads, which is very much beneficial for the people who are looking to buy something. It is basically used by the online stores like Amazon, Myntra and all. This show your product image, price, shop name directly on the search result. The last one is the performance max, that is usually called as PMax campaign. In this campaign, Google has more access, like more control to across the search, display, YouTube, Gmail and more. It is all in one campaign. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this video very much beneficial, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit on the icon button.